It's freaking crazy, man. It's freaking crazy. Alright guys, so today we do have Asteria hair. On that, we do have Asteria hair. Asteria is coming for the edges that don't even add, okay? Because this right here, like, it's on fire. It's on freaking fire. Today's unit is from Asteria hair. Alright, and this is the packaging. Of course, I was digging around in here trying to see the goods. My goods. The goodies. In the package comes several pieces of headbands. So I'm holding it up like I'm holding up some money so you guys can see. And I love how thick they are as well, okay? They also provided a scarf, but you can't use it to melt down your baby hairs if you are wanting to put baby hairs in your unit. Well, with your real hair. It does come with an elastic band. I'm not sure why, because like I said, it's the headband unit. So it comes with an elastic band, comes with a wig cap, and it comes with the bag to store it in once you're all finished. This is a curly unit. I love me some curly hair. This is the hair texture as it is, straight out the package. And like I said, the density is, I think, 180. Yeah, 180% in density, and it's very, very thick, and it's very, very full. So we about to be out in these streets show stopping. Y'all remember show stopping? Show stopping. The construction of the unit. This specific style of wigs has the mini combs. These are the ones where you can open them and clip them. So it is 3 across here. This is just the overall construction of it. No lace, okay? They do provide us with the Velcro. The Velcro in the cut, okay? So you can go ahead and snap your wig on. So alright, I like the back. Well, this is the back of it. That's what it's giving. I love how flat it is. It's not sticking off. It's laying extremely flat. And I don't even have the combs in, you guys, at all. I don't have the combs in at all. So this is what the hair is looking like. Why am I so far down to the ground? Zane, girl. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And like, I'm so shocked, y'all, because I don't even have the combs in at all. So this is what it would look like if you wanted to wear it just with the full headband that it comes with. So I'm gonna take my dirty water bottle and spray some water in it, and then I'm gonna lightly detangle the hair. So we got to get this bad boy wet. We gotta see what we're working with. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. Then I'm gonna take a section that off. My robe is doing stupid stuff, y'all. I don't know where I put the strings at. So, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wet this individually. So before I go ahead and detangle it with my Zen brush, so I'm gonna put in the Silk Elements Renourish Jojoba oil. I don't know if the J is a H. Jojoba oil leave-in conditioner with biotin and silk. I use this for my personal hair, so I'm just gonna spray it in here though. Number 1, this stuff smells good. 2, I just like to detangle with it. So you're not supposed to do that. Please start from the bottom, okay? Start from the bottom and then fully detangle. We got to get into this hair. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back in with, where's my water? Oh, right here. With some more water, because now we have to get it back wet. so the curls can be in there. Alright, so after I make sure it's wet again, I'm then gonna go in lastly with my Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. And I'm gonna take a bunch because this hair is thick. So I'm gonna use about that much. And I'm gonna go all through the hair. I don't know why I just said a bunch of it right there. And then work my way down to the ends because that's the most important, which I should have started there. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that to the entire unit. I'm gonna do it in 4 sections. And then after I do that, I'm gonna take my brush and just brush thoroughly so the curls can form again, and also that the product can be distributed evenly throughout the hair. Okay, this brush is the bomb. I don't care what nobody says. You guys don't have yourself a Denman brush? Is it Denman or denim? A Denman brush? I don't know how you say it, but if you guys don't have one, you need to invest in one. I got mine from Solids, but sis, it just does the hair right. So we about to be looking cute. Nobody's $5 nothing, okay? I need to find my diffuser. So we're gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then I'm gonna do this side off camera. These curls come through Asteria, and they're not even napping up. They're not doing any of that. What the heck? I'm not even used to having curly hair like this good, like this texture of curly hair. Cause I know when good hair, like I know curly hair when I see it. I know good curly hair. Now I am getting minimum shedding because I'm doing finger detangling, so I am getting shedding. So I ain't gonna be sitting here front about that. But detangling, sis, literally non-existent. This is pretty. This is pretty. This is real pretty. So this is what the hair looks like. This is the dry side. As you guys can see, it's a little bit shorter when it's dry, of course, due to shrinkage. All right guys, so the hair is probably like 90% dry. There's still damp in certain areas, but I put it in the combs, and I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about the combs at the end. We're gonna see depending on what these headbands are giving us. So this is the first one. It's the white one. This reminds me of the bandana print, these type of headbands. And they're nice, and look at this, they're nice and thick. Do you guys see how thick this is? That is what I'm here for now. So this is the end of the video, and this is how the hair turned out or whatever, and I'm super duper obsessed, okay? Completely obsessed, y'all. Look at this goodness, okay? The hair is probably 100% dry now because I was doing the interchanging from the headbands, so it helped it dry a little bit more. I love the poofiness of this unit. Like, I wouldn't want this unit to be like the what is it called, the wet hair look. I would not want this unit to be that because it looks so freaking natural and so freaking bomb with its poofiness. And I feel like for my head shape personally, I need something that gives me a little bit of pizzazz. It don't make my head look, you know, so big. So this unit is it. Asteria did the dang thing with this unit. Nobody can tell me otherwise, and nobody can even comfort me, because like, how you gonna comfort me? But anyway, y'all, I love the construction of this unit. I love how the Velcro goes all the way around so it can lay flat against the back of your head, so you can, you know, hide your wig. Okay, you want the band to cover the wig. And also these bands are nice and thick. It's like 2 layers on them, so you're able to cover up as much space, or you can, you know, thin it out like I did. As you guys can see, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. They got different colors. I have black on right now, black and white. So black, of course, you know, black goes with anything. I'm just here for it. I love the combs. The combs has been the best invention yet. I haven't had one yet with the clip-in combs. I call them clip-in combs. I mean clip-in combs. If you guys are used to wearing clip-in extensions, then you guys will be familiar with these clips, because you just unfasten it, fasten it, and boom. And it's very, very secure. It does not cause a lot of tension on your hair. I still have my braids in. I was supposed to take them out, but I didn't. So I used the comb, and it doesn't feel like my head is about to explode, because with some combs it puts too much tension on it and it makes your forehead draw back. It makes your head and everything is so tight, and I do not like that, you know. So these combs were perfect. I love it. It's just hands down. So far, y'all, this is my first time wearing the hair. I haven't washed and conditioned or any of that jazz. I just did my curly hair routine, which was my leave-in condition, my water, and my frizz tamer. So like I said, with that, I didn't have any tangling during the whole process. I only had shedding, which was a minimum. You're gonna get shedding with any virgin hair, with any unit that is not yours. Well, you're gonna even get shedding with your own hair. And like I said, I haven't experienced tangling yet, but that does not mean it's not gonna tangle, y'all. This is just my first day wearing it, and it's like, sis, I don't even want to take it off. I just want to go around looking like this, because like, sis, let's get into this. This is just super pretty. So yeah, I don't have any cons at all. Like these Headband Wigs series are coming full force. No cons at all. Not exactly what this unit. The Velcro is perfect. I feel like if it accommodates different sizes and shapes of heads, which is amazing because of the Velcro. So yeah, that's just it, y'all. I'm just obsessing over this hair, y'all. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this unit. How are y'all liking the episode so far? We do have a few more to go, so stand by. Okay, we do have some more coming to y'all. Okay, and I know I am doing a lot of curly units, but y'all see it's different. It went from like short, loose, tight, and now we here. This looks so freaking natural. Like it looks thick and it's full. You can do what you want. You can put it back in a low ponytail if you want. Have a little ponytail going on. Okay, there's so much you can do with this. Like if you don't want it in your face, you don't have to have it in your face, but it's cute. Y'all know winter is coming up, and winter we normally pull out our inches in the curly hair because it's not as hot, and I'm ready. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, okay, because I'm just ready to go. Like I'm not even late. Like wait. Sorry. All right guys, I'm gonna see you later. Bye guys.